Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making very simple paneer pakora or Indian cheese fritters. For making paneer pakoras, we need paneer or Indian cheese, besan or chickpea flour, Heeng powder or Asafoetida, water to make a batter, Kasoori Methi or dry Fenugreek leaves, salt and cumin seeds. Okay, first of all we're going to make a batter to coat our paneer. So we're adding our besan or chickpea flour, Heeng powder, salt, and we have our methi leaves, which is I'm gonna just crush a little, cumin seeds, red chili powder. You can add a turmeric if you want to. I am not going to. We're gonna use water little by little, not too much at a time. Don't worry if you add more water or less. Like sometime if you have you add more water and you don't know what to do with that, then you can add more chickpea flour in there. That should be fine. Make sure there is no little beads, or make sure no lumps in there. We wanted to make it as smoother as we can. It's a little too thick for us, so let's add like maybe seems still a little thicker. I'm gonna add maybe another spoon. Alright, so our batter looks nice. We're gonna dip these and pour in the oil. So I cut my paneer in like this size, around 2 by 2 inches, and you can make the thick or small or big, whatever the style you like or whatever the size you want. It's like 2 by 2 around, and I think it's the right size. So we're gonna dip this in the batter. I turned on my stove and it's almost ready to drop these things in there because it's almost hot, but not the point I want to. So we're gonna dip it in there. Sorry, my hand is, maybe you're not able to see it. But this is what you do. You dip it. So our batter is just perfect. So you dip it and you drop in the pan. It's very simple and easy, and it takes just little time to cook. So we're gonna drop these all in there. So make sure they coat whole thing, not like one side is done, another not. Otherwise it's gonna look like. And you can check your salt if you want to, but I eyeball them, so it's good. So heat is like medium high. It's not like crazy high or crazy low. So we're gonna make a golden brown. We could use all the pakoras in there. We can put it in the pan, but I did not. Please do not fry your pakoras on high heat because it's gonna be burnt outside. Even you don't need to cook so much inside, but the thing is, once besan or chickpea flour is burnt, and the taste is like totally crazy. So our pakoras are ready to take out. So see, this is the color you want. You don't want like too dark or too light. If it's too light, that means it's not cooked. Besan is not cooked. If it's too brown, that means it's overcooked. So we want like nice and golden color. This is the perfect color we want. See? Now we're gonna put another batch and we're good after that. Don't stir it once you like right away once you put it in, and that gonna remove your batter from the pakoras. So just wait for until it's like little bit cooked. Okay, so all our pakoras done. We're turning off the stove. And I will meet you after I plate it. Let's do that. Okay, here's our super delicious, super easy paneer pakora or Indian cheese fritters ready to eat. You can eat with tamarind chutney, ketchup or mint chutney. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification for my upcoming videos. Thanks again. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.